Do you want to know about the new UK visa update for Pakistan? Because what I'm about to tell you could change how you apply for a UK visa forever. Stay with me. This isn't just a minor change. This is a game changer. So, what exactly has changed? Let me ask you this. What if you no longer needed to visit a visa application center? What if the UK finally made it easier for Pakistanis to apply? Sounds unbelievable, right? But guess what? It's happening now. Yes, right now in 2025, the UK government has announced a major shift in its visa policy. And if you miss even a second of this video, you might miss your chance. So what is an e-visa? In simple words, checkmark. No paperwork. No long queues, no biometrics in some cases. Just apply online and get approval electronically. This means the UK is moving toward a digital visa system, and guess what? They're starting to roll it out for selected countries. And Pakistan is now on the list. Yes, Pakistan. Now I know what you're thinking. Is Pakistan really included? And yes, official UK Home Office documents confirm that from 2025, Pakistani citizens will be able to access the UK Electronic Travel Authorization ETA system. But here's the twist. Not every traveler will qualify immediately. Not every city has access yet. There are strict criteria, and only those who know the rules will benefit first. That's why you must watch till the end. So who can apply? Pakistani nationals with a valid passport. Those applying for short-term visits, tourism, business, family, etc. People who visited the UK, US, Canada, or Schengen before may get priority. But here's the suspense. Those who don't meet the criteria, they might still need to go through the old system. This is a trial rollout, so only a few will get early access. Could it be you? Watch closely. Here's how you can apply when it opens fully for Pakistan. Go to the official UK visa website. Select the ETA or e-visa option. Once Pakistan is fully listed, fill your personal and travel info. Upload your passport scan. Pay the fee, around 10 to 15 pounds. Wait for the email approval, usually within 72 hours. No visa center. No appointments. Just pure convenience. But again, this is new. This is still rolling out, and only those who stay updated will benefit. You might be wondering, why now? Why Pakistan? The UK is trying to modernize its visa system and reduce backlog. They want to attract tourists, students, and skilled workers faster. They also see Pakistan as a growing partner country in trade and migration. So yes, this isn't a rumor. This is the UK's official direction. But there's still a catch. What's the catch? This system is still in phases. It's not live for all Pakistanis yet, and the rollout could pause or change based on political decisions. So, you need to stay alert. This is why watching this full video is your visa advantage. If you found this update helpful, imagine what's coming next. I'll be sharing the exact dates, eligibility updates, and hidden tricks to speed up your application. So please, subscribe. Like this video and share it with anyone who wants to go to the UK. Because the next 60 days could define your journey to the UK. Don't miss out. This is your moment. Your e-visa future starts now.